Assalamu alaikum and a very warm welcome to everyone. Here's a detailed discussion on project report number 2. So in here you've been given a format that you should follow and you need to enter all the details. For example, your engineer name, project ID, project title, engineer ID, and so on. So this project relates to program outcome P04. Now let's look at 01, item 01, which is on visual specification or photography or other things. So this is pretty important as a startup. You gotta find or understand some figures or sketch in order to proceed with the problem. In here, you need to retrieve any of your interest structure from this Pocket World 3D. So it can be downloaded from App Store and Google Play. So your first item 1 should be choose your favorite piece. So in my case, I like to have this as my favorite piece. Okay, so it's a machine. Okay, and it has all those structural elements that is sitting directly on this platform here. So it's kind of a hexagonal platform. Okay, so I need to prepare this structure in the following problem. So this is my structure I'll choose. So that's basically item number 01. And 02, methodology. So step-by-step procedure in preparing your structure to be constructed. So I would like to have a simple flowchart of diagram. So for example, I will start off with some sketches from the architecture or the one wanting to be built. Okay, so mine will be likely to start off with a sketch of this structure, and then it'll be followed with the measurement of all the items here so that I can prepare a proper platform for this. And the rest of the process is going to be up to you. So that's number 2. Now let's look at item 03, which is on the requirement. So 3 different borehole information from Geotechnical SI is assigned to all students. So in here you have given case number 1, 2, and case number 3. Simplify the borehole information using Excel and extract the important parameters. Okay, and prepare a solution on how to construct your structure safely on different ground cases. Now, if you look at SI case number 1, so this is the site investigation report given to you. So you need to digest and explore more about this SI. So from here, what's important, for example, is the soil description. So I'm going to extract, let's say, soil description, maybe the depth and also the NSPT value. Okay, this is for example. So these are the 3 things that I need to proceed. So I'll summarize it in a chart or a table or a figure. Okay, so that's SI number 1, 2, and 3 accordingly. Okay, so that's the requirement for number 2, which is simplify the borehole. Now prepare a solution on how to construct your structure safely. So I'm going to imagine that this is the structure and it's going to be constructed on, let's say, SI number 1. So how am I going to go about it? So that's why I need a simplified information, and then I'm going to find a solution. So it's going to be up to you again for this part. Okay, you can either make a simple analysis manually, or you can have some assistance from geological or geotechnical software in terms of design of piling or footing and so on. So this is going to be up to you. And lastly, on solution and recommendation, It is to identify problems and list all possible aspects in order for your structure to be constructed. For example, what are the problems do I have? Maybe some information is not enough for me, so I'm gonna write it down. So the more problems you write, the more you're gonna score for this part. So that's basically about project report number 2. Hope this will be a clear explanation. If you need more detailed explanation, just contact me directly. Thank you very much.